Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first time you're joining me in my home. My name is Ashley Marie and I'm a mum to two babies. I got one playing out on the deck. I've got one asleep at the moment. It's my 29th birthday today, very exciting, but we have guests coming over tonight. I'm feeling very anxious, if you can't tell from how fast I'm talking, about how the house is looking. So Jordan Page, I'm constantly inspired by. I love that woman. While I've had the time over the last few weeks, I have been implementing one of her recent videos. I'll have it linked down in the description box below for you guys. Basically, it's a power hour where she'll walk into a room, she'll evaluate the two things that need to be done that are going to benefit the house, the family the most. I've never really done it while I only have a short amount of time. I have a ridiculously short amount of time today and I have a lot to do. We are currently in the stages of painting our entire house. Please subscribe and join our little community if you're interested in any of that kind of homemaking and cleaning type content, because I make a lot of it here on my channel. Half the house is painted, all the furniture's moved away from the walls, the toys are everywhere. I haven't touched the kitchen, I've just kind of been on go, go, go mode, and the house went on pause. So let's try and fix that together. Either chuck me up on your TV, any of your devices you can play me on. You can always save this for later if you're not in the mood right now, or you could just watch it and get some inspiration for later. So let's get straight into it now. I'm going to start in this room, and I haven't even thought about it because I've just been like go, 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 as I said. You can't actually see the pile of washing that's right here right now, but it's here, don't worry about it. I actually don't think this is the room that's going to benefit us the most, so we're not even going to start in here. I think we're going to start in the lounge room and then move on to the kitchen. Those are by far the two worst areas, so let's go.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting glass after glass. I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier.
Okay, I'm so happy with how this is going so far, and if you saw my last video, my bathroom clean with me. My bathroom is spotless and gorgeous right now, so we're actually going to leave that. Toilet's clean. No one's gonna go in my laundry and no one's gonna go in my bedroom. Right now I could be using my time in a much better way. So how I'm going to tackle that is the things that I don't feel good about the spaces. We are going to go back to the most important things. So as much as I want to go in the lounge room and do the floors and wipe the tables, I actually need to tackle in here, because if you can see, I've still got the washing to sort out.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
And that's it for today's video, guys. I didn't get around to vacuuming in here, but I did do a quick sweep, as you saw. I'm gonna run out of time as far as getting ready and getting the kids ready if I don't stop cleaning now. And I'm so impressed with how the house looks. I honestly could not complain. For an hour's worth of work, awesome. And I love the method. If you guys haven't seen the video, I will link it down in the description box below. Much love to Jordan Page. Not that she'll ever see this. Give credit where credit's due, and give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy mine. Subscribe if you like any of this kind of homemaking content, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Down.